Here are the Kleemann lifts at Tesco Extra in Wexford town. Since 2021, they've been modernised. They now have new releases signalisation. I believe the controller may be still original as they run identically to how they did before. The voice has also been replaced. It's now the same voice as the multi-storey car park in the square tala, linking the top right corner to a reference. The motor is definitely still original as it sounds the same as before. I prefer the older lifts because they're more nostalgic to me and they just add more character. As you can also see, the cabs haven't had any alteration. They're still fairly battered. The floor is still torn. The trolley bumpers are still in very bad condition.
Door closing.
Here we are at Tesco Wexford. They've been modernised, but they only did the buttons and presumably the controller.
First floor.
Everything else.
Door opening. Door closing.
This must be the case and everything else is still original apart from the buttons. Okay, no, that's just the buttons that they replaced. It wasn't exactly how it used to.
Ground floor.
Grand floor.
Door opening.
That wasn't exactly how it used to.
Door closing.
That wasn't exactly how it used to. Yeah, no, that's just been buttons replaced because it still uses the same serial number.
First floor.
Fifth floor.
Door opening.
Please prepare to push the trolley off the end of the conveyor.